What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Dangle George, and in this video we're going to go over the ClickBank Gravity score. What is it, how do you use it, and how can you utilize it to get more sales on ClickBank? Okay guys, so in the very first video that I created on ClickBank, I was basically showing you guys my first experience with the ClickBank marketplace, and I stumbled across the Gravity score and I had no idea what it was. So on the video we googled it and I basically said, okay, this is how popular a certain product or service on ClickBank is, and that was not entirely true. So I thought in this video I'll just set the record straight and show you guys what I have found while researching the Gravity score. So as you can see here, it says the Gravity performance statistic is an approximate relative measure of how many affiliates have successfully promoted products from an account, with a higher number meaning more conversions. You can select this checkbox and enter criteria to search for products with a Gravity performance score above a specified value, below a specified value, or between two values. Okay, so by reading this, I automatically realized that if, for example, the Gravity score is 286, that does not necessarily mean that 286 people have sold a certain amount of products. Okay, so there's a few little variables at play with the Gravity score, and it's basically not it's not a fixed number. There's basically an equation behind it, and it's just something that we can use to our benefit. But it's not, it does not mean, like I said, it does not mean that 286 people have, sold something on the ClickBank marketplace, for that particular offer. So let me just quickly show you guys what I mean. So let's just go back to, what did we do last time? I think we done pets actually. So let me just quickly go to, in fact, let's just stick with this. Okay, home and garden. So as you can see here, the Gravity score, we can filter between 0 and 100 plus. Now, the Gravity score, like I said, it is the amount of affiliates that have made sales, within a certain amount of time. Okay, and now obviously with that information, you would automatically want to have the highest Gravity score because you think, okay, that means that product is easy to sell. That is not necessarily true. Why? Because new offers increase the Gravity score, and also if the Gravity score is high, that also means that there's a lot of competition. Okay, so that is not really a conclusion that we can draw right away. So when looking at the Gravity score, make sure that you realize that if the Gravity score is high, that means yes, the product can be hot, but it also means that the product is new. And if a product is put on the ClickBank marketplace and affiliates start promoting it, then the ClickBank score, or sorry, the Gravity score, will increase drastically. Okay, so it can be that it's new, it can be that it's hot, but it can also mean that the competition for it is very, very high. So that's just something that you do need to take into consideration. There's not a certain Gravity score that you need to look for, anything like that. Obviously a high Gravity score is good, but it does not mean that you must necessarily pick that one product. Okay, so when looking at the Gravity score, just take those things into consideration, and like I said, guys, use it to your benefit. I was recommended to look at, what was it called? Something like ClickBank Engine, that was the one. Okay, and basically you can use that in combination with the Gravity score to pick the right products for you, because obviously, if you can find a product that is easy to promote with Facebook ads, you can earn a lot of money from it. I do not know a lot about ClickBank Engine. Again, this is the first time for me looking at it. I'll probably do a separate video on this, so I'll click this away for now and then probably film a video on my first experience with ClickBank Engine. But apparently, like you can see here, you can click on top Gravity and then you can filter on highest Gravity, lowest Gravity, etc. Okay, so use it to your benefit.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed Quick Start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.